How to convert my Facebook profile into a page. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about converting your Facebook profile into a page in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, the first thing that you're going to want to do is that if you have a personal account, you're going to first of all want to change it to a professional account. As you can see, I have a professional account with a professional dashboard and everything. So change it to a professional account. And once you've changed it to a professional account, from there on out, what you are going to want to do is you're going to scroll down over here in this section and you're going to go over ahead to pages. Now, once you go over to pages, it's going to open things up like this. And over here, you're just going to go ahead and create a new page for yourself. It's going to give you a create a new page section over here. And in the case, obviously this is my different account. I'm going to switch to this main account over here. And as you can see, yeah, it gives me the create a new page icon. So just go to pages, click on create a new page, and that will allow you to turn everything into a page. So obviously this profile is turned into these pages. So as you can see, I was on this page's profile right now, right? So that's how you're going to convert your Facebook profile into a page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.